This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then placed in the washing machine to spin so that it's just damp. I'll go ahead and flip it inside out. And find the center point of the collar. Okay. And if you grab under the armpits and shake, you'll straighten out the sides of the shirt so that you can get the true center point of the bottom. So we'll go ahead and fold on this. Flip this away so that you can grab the arms. Pull the bottom arm through the top. Line up the seam. Get those together all the way. And a couple of shakes. It's usually all it takes to get everything smooth. Go back to your center line, flip it towards you, grab the back and the tag, so that it's like that. And there you go, ready to start. So this one's really simple. Oh, looks like I got a little turquoise in there. Alright, it's really simple. We're just going to go right about here or so. And then just do a spiral. Into the shirt. And then kind of help these along. And then add a few folds if you want as you're pulling this around. And then you can just use rubber bands to hold this. And one more. There you go. That's all it is for this. And off to dye. So for this I'm just going with bright green and better black. And it's mixed up as liquids for the front, and then we'll be using powder for the back. So this will be quick. Alright, I'll let this sit for 18 to 24 hours and then we'll do the washout. Alright, it's been about 30 hours, so let's do the washout. Okay, let's take a look. So I'll wash that completely and then we'll get a picture.